Tired of uneven baking and stubborn cleanup? Imagine a bakeware set that heats evenly, resists warping, and cleans up in a snap. That's exactly what you get with this heavy-gauge steel non-stick bakeware, built for cooks who demand both performance and convenience in the kitchen. I've tested this bakeware myself, and the first thing that stands out is the weight. It feels solid and durable, much heavier than the usual metal trays I've used before. That heft isn't just for show. It means the pan distributes heat evenly, so your banana bread, brownies, or cookies bake uniformly without hot spots. Plus, the thick rolled edges keep the pan from warping, even after repeated use in a hot oven. What really seals the deal is the premium non-stick coating on both the interior and exterior. After baking, food slides right off, and cleanup is effortless. You can toss the pans right into the dishwasher, saving you time and elbow grease. It's the kind of convenience every busy home cook appreciates. If you're serious about baking and want a reliable pan that delivers consistent results while making cleanup painless, this heavy-gauge steel non-stick bakeware is worth a look. It's designed to last, perform, and make your baking experience smoother from start to finish. Ready to upgrade your bakeware? Try this set when you're ready to enjoy perfectly baked treats and hassle-free cleanup. It's a smart addition that changes the way you bake, without the fuss.